Hello, hello, little AI. Can you say a big hi hi? Hello, hello, little AI. Let's be friends, you and I. Mommy, mommy, what is AI? Is it a robot in the sky? Does it walk? Does it play? Does it learn things every day? AI, clever and bright, helps us learn and helps us write. Looks for patterns, 1, 2, 3, solving puzzles easily. AI friends, helps us learn and helps us pretend. Ask a question loud and clear, AA listens with its ear. AI friends, you are not a human friend. You're a program in a screen, smart but not like we have been. Tablet, glowing bright, shows me stories late at night. Who helps pick my cartoon show? AI whispers I might know. Speaker on the shelf, talks and answers by itself. Who is that? I ask one day. AI tells me right away. AI here, AI there, in our home and everywhere. On the phone and in the car, helping from a screen or jar. AI here, AI there, but it needs us to take care. Humans think and humans choose. AI helps with helpful clues. Teacher, look at this. AI helped me not to miss spelling words and counting too. AI showed me what to do. AI learns from what it sees, pictures, words, and ABCs. If we teach it wrong or mean, it may copy what it's seen. So we must be kind and fair, careful with what we share. Never tell it secret things, like our home or phone it brings. Ask a grown-up, is this right? When I talk to apps at night, AI's smart, but mom and dad help me check what's good or bad. 230 rule number 1, use it kind, fill it with a happy mind. Rule number 2, don't overshare, keep your secrets safe with care. Rule number 3, think and see, does this answer work for me? Humans first and humans last, AI's just a helper fast. Draw a cat with rainbow shoes, AI gives me funny views. Write a story, space and stars, AI sends me flying cars. Robot, beep, 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 you're not the boss of me, you see. I decide whom I create, AI helps my ideas grow great. AI friend, thanks for all the help you send. We will think and we'll be wise, use our brain and use our eyes. Hello, little AI, thanks for saying big hi hi. We are kids and we will grow, AI helps us learn and know. La we learn each day, with our minds to lead the way. La with AI too, I'll learn more and so will you.